Why Zoller? I'm Frank Seger. I'm the Director of Engineering at Tru-Edge Grinding in St. Henry, Ohio. We invested in Zoller because they're leaders in tool inspection technology. They offer things that other companies don't. They offer dedicated solutions for tool inspection machines. The Genius is great for tool inspection. Can inspect geometry that we previously could not inspect before using our other existing equipment. We use the Smile for grinding wheel presetting. The ROI on that actually turned out to be under 6 months for us. It's really improved things. Consistency from operator to operator has gone up significantly. Zoller is really on the advanced edge. They look out for new technology, new things that we haven't even thought of yet, and they come up with solutions for us that we can use every day.